We just received a box from our friends at float.org. Float stands for the love of all things, and they create apparel that benefits charities that are animal related, conservation related, and I wanted to show you all the good stuff they just sent us. I'm wearing the first tank top. It says Love Never Dies, and that benefits an elephant rescue.
BLES.
BLES.
We will tag all these rescues underneath the post if we can get the links.
Next, it says Shred It and Protect It with a little surfer. And this tank top goes for American Whitewater Organization. Next, the best things in life are rescued. And this t-shirt benefits Life is Better Rescue. Next, 88% campaign with a little rooster on it. And this is from the Humane League. This, Born to be Wild and Free. That beautiful fox logo is some trees. I really love this one. And it says End Wildlife Killing Contest on the back, something I definitely agree with and support. Next, we have this beautiful orca, and it says, Not a leap in the dark, but a leap from the dark. Sanctuaries. And this benefits marineconnection.org. Next, this beautiful snow leopard, and this is from the Snow Leopard Trust. Lastly, I have this beautiful hoodie that says Awesome Opossum on it, America's only marsupial, with this beautiful mama and all her babies on there. It has these pretty neon strings, and this benefits Wildlife Care, which must be a wildlife rehab facility. I'm super excited about this one too. Thank you so much, float.org. I'm so excited to wear these. This will definitely make up most of my wardrobe for the next few months. Again, go over to float.org and check out some of the other charities they work with and create apparel for. Bye.